Hey everybody, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Micron technology. This is ticker MU. Now, there is a ton of chatter about NVDA, and for good reason. I mean, NVDA has been the semiconductor stock for the ages, though I don't know what this weird candle is here that TradingView is printing. Okay, yeah, that's a weird one. But this has been the stock to be involved in. Today is the first day that it's trading with its 10-for-1 split. But there are a ton of other semiconductors that are actually looking really good. ARM Holdings is one of them, and Micron is the one I want to focus on today because this was actually just added to Dan's active trade list. Dan Fitzpatrick has been picking stocks successfully for years, and this one was just added to our list today at StockMarketMentor.com. And I definitely think this stock is still actionable. It's in a well-defined uptrend above all the major moving averages. Today, it broke over a clear long base of consolidation and did it on a slight pickup in volume. So it doesn't look like this is too extended, though it is a bit high above the 8-day. I think this stock is still actionable, whether you want to play a momentum trade with a move above 135.60 or look for a pullback to the 8-day exponential period moving average. Those have been buyable for the past month and a half or so. So keep an eye on Micron. I definitely think this stock is still actionable. Just keep in mind they do have earnings coming up in a couple of weeks. So you have a good 2 weeks to see if this trade works out. And then if you don't have a cushion leading into earnings, you can kick it to the side and wait for it to set up again. So that's just one of many stocks that Dan and I covered today during our live training session. If you want access to that, click the link, take a trial, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.